Hi, I'm Jason with Basler Electric Company, and I'm here to show you one of our exciting new products. It's our DECS-400 to DECS-450 transition plate. We know how frustrating it is to upgrade your equipment that's been working for years, and this transition plate will help you upgrade from your DECS-400 to your DECS-450. Over the next few minutes, I'll show you how to upgrade this unit with the transition plate. First, we'll start with taking out 3 screws on each side, total of 6. Next, we'll take our transition plate, and with screws that are provided, we will add 2 screws to the bottom. And this will hold the transition plate into place while we make our connections. I'm going to run these screws in but not tighten them up yet. The first connection we're going to make is our ground lug. That's the green wire. Next, we're going to connect our CT connections. That's these gray wires. To connect these, you'll just match the number that's stamped on the wire to the number on the connection on the back of the 450. Now that we have our CT wires connected, we can now start connecting our Ethernet cable, our field isolation transducer cable, and our external tracking cable. To start Ethernet, you just plug in our field isolation transducers, 15-pin connector, and we provide 2 screws to hold this connection down. Our external tracking cable is a 9-pin connector. Same 2 screws, secure that down. Now that we have those connected, we can connect our plugs, starting with the ones on the bottom and working our way to the top. And that's all the connections. The last step is to hinge this over all these wires And then with our remaining screws, we'll install these into the side of the unit. With the last screw installed, you now have a DECS-450 that has the connection layout of our DECS-400. And this will allow you to take your old connections and connect them directly to the back of this unit during upgrade.